Mama Africa, can you hear us? From the desert to the deep blue sea. Every heartbeat, every spirit calling out, let us be free. Dust on my feet, red earth in my veins, border on a map, but inside we the same, different tongues. Still the story aligns, every drum in my chest beating into one line. I'm praying for my motherland, Africa. One love, one fire. From Cape Town up to Casablanca. One soul, one pride. Let the rivers run together as they flow. Wash away the walls we used to know. I'm praying for my motherland, Africa, and Africa. East in the sky, grandma's name on my lips, blessing every child, every boat, every ship, gold in the ground. But the treasure is us when we stand hand in hand. Fear turns back into dust.